In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new frame in Figma. Before we dive in, make sure you're familiar with some basic design tools in Figma, as this will help you follow along more smoothly. The goal today is to create a simple yet visually appealing folder icon using basic shapes. Let's start by opening Figma and creating a new frame, which serves as our canvas. This frame acts like the base where all your design work will take place. To do this, select the frame tool from the toolbar on the left side, click anywhere on the canvas, and drag to set your desired size. You now have a blank space ready for your creative ideas. Next, we'll use the rectangle tool to draw the base shape of our folder. This can be found in the toolbar or activated by pressing the R key on your keyboard. Click and drag within the frame to draw a wide rectangle. This shape will become the main body of your folder, so adjust its size accordingly. Think of it as the backbone of your design. Now let's add a smaller rectangle on top of the main shape to create the folder tab. This part is crucial because it gives the folder its defining characteristic. Using the same rectangle tool, draw a smaller rectangle that partially overlaps the top of your base shape. Position it off-center if you prefer, as this gives a more realistic look. A well-placed tab can make your folder icon more recognizable and visually appealing. To enhance the appearance of your folder and give it a sophisticated touch, let's round the corners of the shapes slightly. Select your rectangles and look for the corner radius option in the design panel on the right. Gently increase the radius to soften the edges. This small tweak can transform the overall look of your icon, making it appear polished and approachable. For the finishing touches, it's time to fill your shapes with color and add strokes if needed. Think about what colors will best represent your folder while keeping it visually outstanding and distinct. Click on each shape and open the color options in the right-hand menu. Choose a color that resonates with your design theme. If you'd like to add strokes, utilize the stroke tool to outline your shape, adjusting the thickness and color as necessary. These details play a crucial role in popping your design off the screen. And there you have it, your very own folder icon crafted within Figma. This process not only helps in honing your skills with design tools, but also reflects your unique style through simple, creative exploration. Appreciate your work, and don't be afraid to tweak it until it perfectly fits your vision. Thanks for watching, and stay creative!